Hello everyone and welcome. If you have been on the market for Vidrush AI code, well now is your opportunity to get one. We have a website called vidrushaicodes.com and we sell codes for as little as $7.99. Now this site is straightforward, and if you scroll down you can see how you can get a code. Now once you buy this package for $7.99, you get a 3-in-1 bundle. Number one, you get the Vidrush AI code. Number two, you get an RPM blueprint. And number three, you get a massive list of untapped YouTube niches. So if you are getting a YouTube channel monetized and you need help with niches, etc., then this list will help you to decide what videos you want to make. Now, if you want to know how it all works, if you scroll down, there is a little guide here you can watch on YouTube itself. And if you scroll down even more, it says more tutorials and guides, and you get real examples and real reviews on the people that purchase this code as well. Now on here you can get real channel examples. These are actual current users that are using Vidrush AI and are generating, well, as you can see, thousands or hundreds per month just by using this automated video tool. Now, also on this website, we also have an additional partner with us where you can learn how to make money via YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Reels, and TikTok. So if you visit this website, and also I forgot to mention, if you want to buy a pre-monetized YouTube channel, you can do via this website as well. So if I press purchase, it costs $125 and you'll get the login password in about 2 to 3 business days. Now back to this website. Now this website here, if I press visit site, this website is called Shorts Money Guide, and this website sells you blueprints on how you can make money via YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Or you can buy all these three together for as little as $36.99, or you can buy it separately for $15.99. But obviously it works out cheaper if you buy all three. Now we also have a creator store here, which is on this top right tab here. All of these 4 items here. It will tell you how you can make money via the World Cup, which is on right now. And you also get a 500k viral reels bundle. These are non-copyright bundles where you can post them on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and get paid. Obviously add your own captions, add your own effects. And these two are my personal favorites. You can literally AI generate using ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and you get prompts from these packages, and you can pretty much create your own selfies, your own photographs really, without going outside, going on holidays, etc. Now referring back to the Vidrush AI codes, we have sold over 300 codes in the past year. Well, this month, and it's the 6th month of the year. And if you also want questions and you want answers, you can go to the FAQ page, the Ask Questions, and you can get all the answers on this page right here. And you can also email us if you want more answers as well.